Welcome back. In this final lecture of our data type section, we are going to cover the essential rules for naming variables, functions, classes, and other objects in Python. These names are collectively called identifiers. Choosing good, descriptive names is a hallmark of a good developer, but first, you must know the strict rules Python enforces. 1. The strict rules. There are 4 non-negotiable rules for creating an identifier in Python. If you break these rules, your code will fail with a syntax error. Rule 1. Start with a letter or underscore. An identifier must start with a letter, capital A to capital Z or lowercase a to lowercase c, or an underscore. It cannot start with a number. Rule 2. Cannot contain special characters. An identifier can only contain letters, numbers, and the underscore. You cannot use spaces, dashes, exclamation points, or any other special characters. Rule 3. Case-sensitive. Python is completely case-sensitive. This means that identifiers with the same spelling but different capitalization are treated as entirely separate names. Rule 4. Cannot be a Python keyword. You cannot use any of Python's reserved keywords, like if, for, while, print, class, def, true, false, etc., as an identifier. These words already have special meaning to the Python interpreter. If you try to use a keyword, Python will raise a syntax error. Two, style convention, PEP 8. While the first 4 points were mandatory, the final point is a convention recommended by PEP 8, which is Python Style Guide. It's important for readability. For variables and function names, the widely accepted standard is snake case, all lowercase letters, with words separated by underscores. Mastering these rules ensures you don't run into annoying syntax errors, and following the style guide makes your code is readable and professional. This concludes our section on data types. We covered numbers, booleans, and how to name them. Next up, we move to a new section, Section 4, Sequence Types. I'll see you in Lecture 4.1.